President Emmerson Mnangagwa's decision to have his son Major Sean Mnangagwa visibly positioned within his close protection detail is still the debate amid rising political tension over the 23rd agenda. Sarabina mashoko kudanyuka pangwene achinzi Mnangagwa thrust his own son into close protection unit as tension boils over 23rd agenda. And was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnaumobna mchinzi. At the burial of the late retired Brigadier General Simon Babanga held at the National Heroes Acre in Harare on Wednesday, Major Sean Mnangagwa was seen closely guarding his father's proceedings unfolded. The highly visible presence of the president's son within the security arrangement has triggered discussion, particularly as speculation intensifies around constitutional amendments and the possibility of extending Mnangagwa's stay in power beyond 2028. While no official statement was issued explaining the security deployment, critics questioned the optics of a family member playing such a prominent role in the president's protection detail at a high-profile national event. However, ZANU-PF online activist Cleopas Mnangagwa publicly celebrated the arrangement, portraying it as a symbolic loyalty and strength. In quotes, a reassuring sight as Sean Mnangagwa stands firmly in duty keeping watch over his father, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, a moment that reflects discipline, loyalty, and confidence that the head of state is truly in safe hands, Mnangagwa said. He added Major Sean Mnangagwa standing guard beside President Emmerson Mnangagwa, a powerful image of duty, vigilance, and family loyalty, assuring the nation that its leader remains secure and well protected. Supporters argue that Major Mnangagwa, a trained military officer, is fully qualified to serve wherever he is deployed. Yet critics contend that the move reinforces perceptions of increasing family influence within state structures at the time when public anxiety is growing over governance and succession politics. The incident comes as tensions simmer within political circles over the 23rd agenda, with opponents warning that efforts to extend presidential terms could deepen divisions. Against that backdrop, the sight of the president's son positioned at the heart of his security detail has only amplified scrutiny over the constitution of power, over the consolidation of power, and the blurring of lines between state and family. Doma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe. Pinako section metu za fungura emo tulipa msuru pechit kwech. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.